In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your profile picture in Xero. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your account has a clear, professional image attached to it. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and you're on the main dashboard. This is usually the first page you see after signing in, where you can view your organization's financial overview. On the top right-hand side of the screen, you'll see your current profile icon. This might be a generic silhouette or initials if you haven't set a photo yet. Go ahead and click on that profile picture area. When you click on it, a small menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option that says Edit Profile and select it. This will take you to your user profile settings where you can change personal details linked to your Xero login, including your profile image. Give the page a moment to load if your internet connection is a bit slow. On the profile page, you'll see a section dedicated to your profile picture. There should be a button labeled Upload Image. Click on Upload Image to start the process of adding your new photo. This tells Xero that you want to choose a picture from your computer or device to use as your profile picture. After clicking Upload Image, a file browser window from your computer or device will open. Here, you'll need to locate the image you want to use. It's a good idea to pick a clear, well-lit photo that shows your face, especially if you use Xero for business and want clients or colleagues to recognize you. Once you've navigated to the folder where your picture is saved, click on the image file you want, then click the Open or Choose button in that file browser window. This will attach the image to your Xero profile page. You should now see a preview of your chosen photo in Xero. Take a quick moment to check that it looks the way you want. If something doesn't look right, you can repeat the upload process and choose a different picture. When you're happy with the image, look for the Save button on the profile page and click on it. This step is important. If you don't save, your new picture won't be applied. Once you click Save, Xero will update your account, and your new profile picture should now appear in the top right corner of the screen. That's all there is to it.